Hello, welcome to Veronica's Authentic Korean Home Cooking channel. Veronica is actually not my name, it's my mom's name, and she's Catholic and she's baptized. Anyway, what I prepared today is tteokbokki. This is going to be made by my mom, and it's a fish cake and rice cake. All you have to do is boil the water, and when it is ready and enough to warm, then pour into some rice cake and fish cake. Well, if you want some chewy or tangy tender, then probably you can soak the rice cake into the water and then put them in the boiling water like this. Okay, that was your first step. It's very easy. And next step is stir gochujang with boiling ingredient. And gochugaru. Gochugaru is probably you know that you can get it in Korean grocery market.
고운 고춧가루 묻혀줬는데 그냥 집에 있는 걸 했습니다.
Okay, and then you can add some vegetables that you like, and we add cabbage, spring onion, and carrot in here. It looks very tasty. And then you can add some sugar and rice syrup. You can add some cheese if you like. And let them boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. When it is ready, serve in nice little dish and enjoy with some of the other kimbap or shrimp fries, you know, anything that you'd like to add. It's really delicious winter snack, but it's not only for the best for winter, you can have some in the summer as well, you know. I recommend you to try some hot spicy tteokbokki with your family or friend and have a great time. Bye! Happy Christmas!